Welcome back to the channel. We are doing it again. Welcome back to another video. And today I got my baby girl Jazz back in the background with me. What's up, Jazz?
Hey!
So what are we doing today for the good folks of YouTube?
We are making hot honey mustard chicken.
Oh, ho, ho, ho. So which ones do you like better? You like the flats or you like the drums?
I like drums.
Why do you like the drums?
Because they have more meat.
Oh, she's nothing like her mother. Her mother likes the flats, and I particularly don't care. But we are going to show you how to do this, and we are ready to go. You ready, Jazz?
Yes, I am.
All right, so we're going to show you exactly what we have and how we're going to get this together. So let's go. All right, Jazz, you ready to let everybody know what we got cooking right here?
Yes, I am.
All right, so let's introduce them to the ingredients. What do we have?
Here we have honey, we have butter, Dijon mustard, Chinese mustard.
Wait. Chinese mustard? Is there such thing as Chinese mustard? What makes Chinese mustard different from the Dijon mustard?
It's really spicy. Like really spicy.
Like a chili hot? Or
Yeah, I would say like a chili
or a
hot.
wasabi hot?
A wasabi hot.
Okay. So we got the hot mustard. Now, we made this earlier. So that came from a powder that we made. So what else do we have?
So here we have salt, garlic, black pepper, and baking powder.
Okay.
And apple cider vinegar.
All right, those chicken wings are looking good. So let's get started. All right, so we are back. Let's get these wings together. You like wings?
Yes, I do.
You like? I love wings too, but I don't really like takeout wings, man. They don't give me everything that I need. What don't you like about takeout wings?
I don't really like that sometimes they don't have enough seasoning on them.
Okay.
Or they're not cooked long enough.
Okay.
Sometimes too soft.
Okay.
And they never have like enough sauce on them if you do get sauce.
Okay. Well, we're going to fix all of that today because first off, we're going to have enough sauce and we're going to be able to get some seasoning on these things because we're not putting them in the deep fryer. And that's the reason why you don't get a lot of seasoning when you go out, because if you put it in a deep fryer where all the seasoning is on there, guess where all the seasoning goes? Into the oil. So we're going to actually be baking these chicken wings. What you think about that?
I
All right.
think that
So
sounds good.
we have our chicken wings here. They are ready to go. So go ahead, season them on up for everybody.
All right. First, we're going to start off with the salt. Next, we're going to grab the garlic. Next is the black pepper. Then some baking powder.
Okay, now why do you think the baking powder is going in there?
Because you're baking it.
Yes, baking powder is for baking, but that's going to give it a nice little crisp.
Crispy.
Yeah. All right, now we got to get our hands wet, or in our cases, our gloves wet. Get in there. Just get in there.
All right. Oh, that feels so weird. All right, so now I got all the chicken mixed up, and now I'm going to put it on the baking sheet with a wire rack. Okay.
All right, so now that we have everything ready to go, what is next?
So now we are going to pop these in the oven and put them on 400
Why 400?
because we have a gas oven. If you don't have a gas oven, put them on 425.
Well, what do you mean by if you don't have a gas oven? We're like a wood burning oven?
No, because a gas oven, it gets hot, like very hot because it is gas. But if it was electric, it would take like a little bit time to get like really hot as a gas oven.
All right. So we learned something new today, kids. All right, so let's go ahead and pop these into the oven. Now, we're going to put them in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. Once they get done internally, I am going to put it on a broil so then we can get some crispiness to it. Now, 30 minutes in, I'm going to go and turn all of the chicken so that the other side can get some crispiness to it as well. How does that sound?
It sounds good.
And maybe if it doesn't work, we can probably just deep fry them because by then everything will be pretty good. We can probably just go ahead and deep fry them. We'll see. We don't know. It's cooking, folks.
All right, so it's been 30 minutes and now we're just going to turn them over.
All right, Jasmine, so let's get our sauce together. What is the first thing we got to do?
All right, now we have to get the butter into the saucepan for it to melt.
Okay. And then,
I know I'm not telling you the measurements, but it will be all down in the description.
okay, yeah, y'all got to read.
Once you get the butter in here, remember, you have to put it on a low heat.
That's right. You don't want to burn anything. So let's get this butter all melted. All right, so once the butter is melted, what's the next step?
I mean, it's pretty much a done and go, Dad.
Okay, so let's go ahead and get everything in there. All right, we got our Chinese mustard going in. We got our Dijon. Next is the honey. Look at that.
Last but not least, the apple cider vinegar.
All right.
I am going to change it over to a whisk. All right, so you want to whisk it vigorously, so you want to get all the lumps and everything out of there.
You want to kind of get it real smooth, huh?
Yeah, real smooth.
Real smooth.
So as you can see, this is going to come to a simmer.
Yeah, and we're going to go ahead and let that reduce and get a little thickness on it, so then we can add it to the wings when they're all ready.
So you want to be very careful with this because it is very hot and it will burn you. And remember, do not try this at home alone without being supervised by an adult. All right, now this is it. You can now just set this to the side until your wings are done. All right, everyone, we are done with the chicken.
These are looking absolutely phenomenal. I'm so glad we put that baking powder on there. Gives it that crispiness, that crunchiness. I know it's going to come through. Yeah. So here's what we did. We added more mustard to the sauce. We didn't feel it was mustardy enough.
Spicy. Not hot like it was supposed to be.
Yeah. So we added more of the Chinese mustard and more of the Dijon mustard. It is a perfect kit. And all of that's going to be down in the description. We're not going to lead you astray. We're going to make sure that we did everything that we have to do to put it down there for you, so you'll know exactly how to make this wonderful sauce. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get these chicken wings all sauced up. All right, you ready to go in?
Oof.
All right, I'm going to get me a flat.
Give me a drum.
Get you a
Nice
drum.
old drum. Get some sauce.
Little extra sauce.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, let's go in. You want to toast? Oh, there we go. Cheers. Oh man. Oh man. That first bite was full of mustard. I think we did the right thing, adding that mustard to it. Wow.
These are good. Then you really tear it up.
The lips all greasy.
Fingers all dirty.
What'd you think of it?
Words can't even describe it.
I think it's pretty much done.
Yeah, you got secret, right?
Oh man. So I guess this is a good thing. This is really good. We're gonna probably use this sauce again sometime in the future.
So good.
All right. So football season is around the corner. It's Sunday. They're gonna kick it off, and we're gonna have a good old time. Go for the Dolphins, of course. Dolphins always. Listen, we want to thank all of you who have recently subscribed. All of you who are watching the videos, thank you all so much. We are going to continue coming with great bangers. We're going to keep coming at you. We're going to keep uploading. We're going to stay consistent. Jazz thinks she's the star, but I'm really the star of the family channel.
Get a little of the sky.
So look, I am going to put some videos down here that you can click on and go and watch some of our other videos. Some of them are very funny. Some of them we're just doing whatever. Me and Jazz are gonna be in the kitchen a lot. So hope you like these. Let us know in the comments. Do you like these type of videos where Jazz is cooking and I'm kind of helping? Or would you rather for Jazz to just do it all by herself? Because she can, or she thinks she can. So hit us up in the comments and let us know what you think Should Jazz cook by herself, or should she always have me to ensure that it comes out correctly? So, hey, listen, don't forget, hit the like button if you love the content. We appreciate it. It helps us in the algorithm. It helps our analytics, and it boosts all of the videos up. So go ahead and hit that like button, and don't forget, hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell as well, so you'll be up to date every single time we drop a video, just like this one. So until the next time we see y'all, everybody, peace. We are out of here. Thank y'all so much. We'll see you again in the next video.